Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Palworld Serialization Error, action needed. The error reads, Serialization Error, action needed. Corrupt data found, please verify your installation. As per our research, this error occurs right when players try to start the game. Many users have shared that the issue began after a recent patch update. According to our research, this error is likely caused by corrupted game files or conflicts from installed mods. The first thing you should try is to power cycle your device. After that, check if there are any pending updates for the game or mods. If there are updates available, install them and try launching the game again. If the error still comes and you are using Steam, then try verifying the integrity of the game files. Simply go to your game library, then right-click on Palworld, then select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then check if the error still comes. If you have installed any mods, then the issue can be related to the mods, so consider checking which one might be causing the issue. Some users found that mods like Blue Circle Palbox X1, 5 or Pal Condensing Cost mod caused this error. So try removing such mods and check for the error again. If you are unsure which mod is causing the problem, then disable all mods and try running the game. If the game works, it confirms that the issue is mod-related. In that case, disable mods in small batches, like in the alphabetical order such as AD, and keep testing. This method will help you identify the specific mod causing the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.